Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable location sharing on your iPhone without letting them know. So if you guys want to go ahead and disable the location sharing on your iPhone device without letting the other person or other people know that you have disabled location sharing, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Okay guys, so this is going to be a pretty simple tutorial because we could actually just go ahead and enable our airplane mode to, well, not let anybody else know that we have turned our location off. Now, this is going to be just a temporary fix because turning our airplane mode on will also turn off our Wi-Fi and all of our network capabilities. So one more method that we can actually do in order for us to solve this issue is to go ahead and try to adjust the location settings. So what I want you to do from here is to go ahead and launch your settings application, and then from here let's go ahead and choose our location settings. So just do a quick search of your location and tap on share my location over here, and you can actually go ahead and turn this off. But doing this, well, let other people know that you have turned your location off. So what we need to directly do is to go ahead and tap on our privacy and security settings, tap on location services, and turn this one off. And basically that's all for this video, guys. Or what we could also do is to go ahead and locate our Find My application, set it to never, and that's gonna also turn off your location without them knowing. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.